Hello, and thank you for visiting the Foyle Legal website. The topic that I'd like to discuss with you today is your personal injury claim. What I'd like to focus on is the quantum side of your claim. That's how much your claim is worth, rather than the liability side of your claim, because liability differs from case to case. I'd like to discuss 4 key factors in a personal injury claim. The first is medical treatment after your injury. The second is economic loss regarding your claim. The third is stabilization. Now, I know that's a difficult word, and I'll explain more about what it means later on. And finally, finalization of the claim. As I said, the first point is medical treatment. Medical treatment is an integral part of your claim, and it's very important for the lawyers who are acting for you to accumulate evidence. For most people, it means going to your general practitioner, who will then send you off for radiological evidence and will send you to a specialist. Medical evidence is usually used by the other side in personal injury claims to try and prove that your case didn't happen as you said it happened and that your injury occurred as a result of something else. Now I'd like to talk to you about economic loss. Economic loss can be a very significant part of any personal injury claim, and your lawyer can help you talk to the taxation department and your employer to get documentary evidence of your loss. As I previously stated, you need to get medical treatment in respect of your claim. Once you reach a stage where you require no further medical treatment or no further medical treatment would be effectual, you reach a stage called stabilization. At that stage, you or your solicitor can take your claim forward to settlement. There's an exchange of documents between the parties so that both parties have the same documents proceeding forward to trial. At this stage, your solicitor can organise an informal conference between the parties to try and settle the claim. In other cases, it's more appropriate to go forward with court proceedings. Your solicitor can advise you which one is more appropriate for your circumstances. If you have a personal injury case that you would like to discuss, you can bring it to Foyle Legal and we'll discuss it with you on an obligation-free basis, so you'll know how best to proceed with your case.